Humukay sila ng pinakamalalim na butas na naghukay kailanman, umabot ng mahigit 7 milya ang lalim sa lupa, at pagkatapos ng 30 taon ng paghuhukay, ay ibinaba nila ang isang mikropono at nakuha ang tunog na ito.
Ever I see boys and girls in a lantern industry, I remember that time. I remember this is the wherever I people giving, singing card. I believe I'm Christmas, the OD in our hand. May the green with polvoy for the bright tomorrow. In the name of Jesus Christ, John Pew. Let's sing Merry Christmas and the Happy Holiday. The Jesus made is Christmas, the Eddie in our home. Merry Christmas mga idol. Andaman ninyo akong pinaskuhan, maluoy mo.